Friends, you must have seen that there are many animals found in the world, which have horns, and those horns are used by them in different ways, in which some animals use them for their defense, while some animals use them to attack others, and sometimes this horn becomes such a problem for an animal that they die after getting trapped in it. In today's video, we have brought 10 such animals of the world which are known in the world for their long and unique horns, in which the length and width of the horns of some animals are so big that you will be surprised to see. So without any delay, let's start the video. African Watusi. This is the only animal in the world whose horn leaves a different identity in the world. If it comes in front of you, then your condition can get worse. Their horns that grow normally are 200 centimeters long, and each horn weighs more than 700 kilograms. Their horns are much thicker than other horns. Also, let us tell you that their horns are hollow from inside. There are many holes inside them in which blood circulation keeps happening, due to which they get a lot of relief in summer. Due to this horn, they easily survive in the heat of Africa. Watusi is an American breed of domestic cattle, which is known for its huge horns. Longhorn cow. Your mind will be blown away by the size of its horns, because the length of its horns is approximately 257 centimeters. Looking at its long and wide horns, it seems that even a state highway road will be too short for it to walk. This cow is prepared from the hybrid of two different breeds. The horns of a cow named Panchu of this species are so big that after measuring them, they are as big as 320 centimeters from one end to the other. This is the reason why this cow's name is recorded in the Guinness World Record, because of its large horns. The first cow of the species was born in Texas, America. That is why it is also known as Texas Longhorn. It is an American breed of cow whose body is very strong, but by nature these cows are very calm. Scimitar horned oryx. The horns of this deer are very beautiful. These animals are not very big in terms of their body. At the same time, their horns are much bigger than their body. The length of one of their horns is up to 120 centimeters. Their horns are very long and thin, which looks very beautiful. This is the reason why this type of deer is hunted every year just for its horns. There are many big people who use the horns of this deer for decoration in their homes. Due to the hunting of this deer in large quantities every year, their numbers are decreasing drastically, due to which some of their animals have also been kept in the zoo. Jacob sheep. Most animals have only 2 horns, but Jacob sheep is an animal which has a total of 4 horns, in which 2 horns are on top, while the other 2 horns are bent downwards. Because of these horns, Jacob sheep look quite unique. The length of their horns is up to 61 centimeters. Jacob sheep is a British breed of sheep. They are mostly found in the UK and North America. This sheep is mainly raised for their skin and meat. Due to 4 horns, they look dangerous, but in reality they are as simple and live very well with humans. Black buck. This is a rare species of deer, which is found in countries like India, Pakistan, and Nepal. Their horns are beautiful and spiral in shape, which looks like a large V shape. The length of their horns is up to 75 centimeters. Male black bucks use their horns for self-defense, attack, and protection of their families. Black buck is also known for running. To escape from a predator like cheetah, black buck can run at a speed of 70 miles per hour. Its height is 74 centimeters and its weight is about 40 kilograms. Bighorn sheep. This sheep is originally a resident of North America and is called bighorn sheep because of its large horns. The basic feature of their horns is that their horns are dense, strong, and curved. The surprising thing is that their horns keep growing throughout their life, until they die. Sometimes the size of these large horns increases to 90 centimeters. Their growing horns sometimes become a problem for them. This is the reason that these horns grow so much that the weight of their horns becomes equal to the weight of the bones of their body, due to which they have a lot of difficulty in walking. On an average, the weight of both these horns is up to 14 kilograms. They use their horns more for fighting and self-defense, and these sheep can easily climb even the steep mountains. Elk. This is one of the largest species of deer. Elks are found in North America and Central Asia. These animals are quite gigantic. Their size grows up to 5 feet, while their weight is up to 500 kilograms. Let us tell you that the female elk of this animal does not have horns, and they are smaller in height and weight than the male elk. The most special part of the male elk is the horn on their head, which is no less than a tooth. Their horns can grow up to about 4 feet. Giant eland. Giant eland is famous for being the largest species of deer. They have a very different type of white stripes on their body, due to which they can be recognized from a distance. A busy giant eland weighs up to 650 kilograms. This is a species of deer which is as gigantic as a bull. Now let's talk about their horns. There is a special difference between the horns of male and female. While the size of a male's horn is 123 centimeters, the size of a female's horn is only up to 70 centimeters. The specialty of their horns is that they are in a circular shape. Also, they are as sharp as a knife. If they thrust their horn into an animal, it will die on the spot. Actually, giant elands do not use their horns. It is just like a saw piece for them. Rhino. Apart from sheep, goat, deer, there is another animal in this world which has horns. The only difference is that these horns are not on the head but on their nose. This horned rhinoceros is now found in Assam, India. The rhinoceros with two horns on the nose is found in Africa. This rhinoceros also has two different species of horns. One is white rhino and the other is black rhino. If we talk about the size of their horns, then the length of the horns of white rhino is larger than that of black rhino. They are about 150 centimeters long and they use their horns for self-defense and to attack other animals. And let us tell you that the horn of this rhino is not made of bones. It is made of hair, which is made of a layer of keratin, and it is so strong that it can tear apart the thick skin of a crocodile, and due to this horn, this animal is also in danger. Many types of jewelry and ornaments are made from its horns in the market, due to which a large number of rhinos are hunted every year, due to which their numbers are also decreasing drastically. Narwhal. Now meet this sea creature, which has horns in its body. This animal is called narwhal. The most special thing about this animal is that it has a long horn on its head, due to which it is also called the unicorn of water. Let us tell you that this is not the horn of this fish. In fact, these are its enlarged teeth, which are extended outwards for a long time, just like an elephant. The length of their horns or their teeth is up to 300 centimeters, and they use their long horns to trap their prey. Narwhal is one of the beautiful creatures living in water which is not easily visible in the sea. To see it you have to go to the lowest level of the sea. So friends, this was our another interesting video. Friends, if you have reached this far in the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel because our channel is just a few days away from getting 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe immediately. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation, and please tell us in the comment from where you are watching this video.